I'm doing, just making sure that the watch is working good. There's nothing loose, so the watch won't stop. After it was put together, you gotta make sure this is running good. Then what we do is we have to regulate it, and we have our machine back there. Turn on and it gives us time how to regulate the watch. Right now it's not giving us no reading. We just close it back together, and just nice and tight. We set the time. It's about 12:10. What we do, we check the watch as well. We'll check it daily here for about 4 to 7 days.